we have in our plants, I mean, they're the backbone of the organization. They are the link between all of our business systems. So when those aren't working, we've got business systems that aren't getting the data they need, and then team members who aren't able to use those business systems to make the decisions that are going on every minute of the day around our plants. So when a scanner goes down for 2 or 3 minutes, it doesn't seem like a lot, but in those period of 2 or 3 minutes, we can make hundreds of labels on a press that might not be able to run that. So as that happens every day and compounds throughout the weeks, I mean, you can lose thousands and millions of labels over the course of a year just by a couple of 2 or 3 minute increments that happen over the course of a normal shift.
Wi-Fi is a really great tool, and we use it in a lot of different customer environments to provide solutions for network access. But the challenges that we find in some cases is coverage. Right? Onboarding devices securely requires extra infrastructure. So there are different things that create challenges for customers. So there's a lot of machinery in there that creates electromagnetic interference, or is made of metal, so it provides challenges of delivering RF signal. Additionally, we have a lot of product in the warehouse. It's paper or labels that are stored there, so that creates some challenges around providing RF signal where we need it. Heartland Business Systems is a full services IT company, so we cover almost every aspect of technology that's in our customer environments, whether it's from physical infrastructure items such as cabling, to hardware, to applications development and customization, to helping them tie in hybrid cloud. Heartland Business Systems has been working with our sister company, Heartland Label, to deploy private cellular in their manufacturing and warehouse facility. So we worked with them to create an RF plan, determine the infrastructure requirements, the cabling requirements, the layout of the private cellular network. There's a lot of different pain points that a private cellular solution will address with customers. So first with coverage, right? We can cover much more square footage with fewer access points with private cellular versus Wi-Fi, and provide better end-to-end coverage in a facility. Security is simplified in a private cellular network. We don't need all the supporting infrastructure, whether it's radius or other types of infrastructure systems to authenticate endpoints onto the network. The security is built into the solution. We put our own private SIM card in our endpoints, and we get them onboarded into our private cellular network. Very simple, very secure. And then the other benefit here is, just efficiency, right? Fewer cellular access points means less infrastructure, less things to manage. It's much more cost efficient for customers compared to putting in a Wi-Fi solution to cover that same amount of square footage.
Your stuff is going to drop off onto your local network, which gives you control on where that data is going, right?
So having a cloud-based platform like NetCloud to manage a cellular, private cellular network is a huge benefit. Other solutions, like Wi-Fi solutions, might require specific hardware or controllers on-prem to manage the assets and track the assets. With the NetCloud architecture, it's all done in the cloud. So it really simplifies cellular for our customers. Another great benefit of the NetCloud platform is it includes an RF planning tool. So customers or engineers that are deploying the solution can go into NetCloud, load up floor plans of the customer environment, and really plan out what cellular access points are needed, what the coverage looks like, even simulate different endpoints in the tool to really understand what's going to happen in that environment.
As we continue to advance and want to scale our business, each component of what goes on with our business is critical. And scanning is critical for inventories, for live tracking of materials. But we're looking at digital options for a number of systems beyond this. So this is just one piece to the broader transformation of our organization.